Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a true pizza burger. A true blue pizza burger. Not any of that gimmicky shit or seasoning a patty and just adding mozzarella and calling it. No. This is a true blue pizza burger. Let's make it. Okay, the first thing we have to do is make a real simple sauce for our pizza burger. What you want to do is start off with a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then you want to add a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of basil, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A little bit of salt. Also, a pinch of sugar, just to get the tinniness of that can out of there. And then, of course, some black pepper. Kind of a generous amount of black pepper. Again, I like pepper, so. And then, literally, with a little spoon, mix everything together until it's incorporated. And basically in this little crock pot, you want to have the first 45 minutes to an hour on high, and then the next 2 hours on low, and just give the flavors a chance to blend. If you want to do it all low, then I would say probably 4 to 5 hours on low. Again, it's one of those things that can sit there all goddamn day. Okay, now we have our burgers. They're quarter-pound patties. We've seasoned them up nice. Again, you can use salt, pepper, my all-purpose, which is salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder in equal measure, or whatever your favorite burger seasonings are. And give these a couple of minutes each side until they're done, and then we're gonna melt up some cheese on them. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, and as you can see through the magic of cooking show editing, the burgers are done. And now I'm adding a slice of mozzarella cheese to each one of these. By the way, if I didn't mention it, these are all quarter-pound patties. Or 4-ounce patties, if you like. All right, let's let the cheese melt up and then bring them on in the house, and we should be pretty much ready for assembly. Alrighty, I kind of lied. We got one more thing to do, and that is to fry up some pepperonis on this grill. Trust me, it won't take too long, but do not clean the griddle after you get the pepperonis off. Reason being is we're going to lightly toast our brioche buns in that pepperoni grease. And you will want to do a light toast, and of course, I will show you why. Also, it's a good idea to get the oven to heated to about 400 degrees at this point. Okie dokie. Have our nicely toasted buns. Each of them has a slice of mozzarella cheese on them. Now it's time to add the crispy pepperonis. And then you want to add some of that wonderful pizza sauce that we made to each one of these. And then top with some shredded mozzarella cheese. You can never have too much cheese. And then pop into the oven for a couple of minutes, just until the cheese is nice and melty and ooey and gooey and wonderful. All right, we're here at assembly. We have our buns that have kind of turned into little mini pizzas in their own right. And now it's time to take a patty. And of course, bacon. Because everything needs bacon. Some more of that sauce that we made. And by the way, keep in mind, you can save this sauce and use it for other things. And then, boom. Top it off. And that is a true blue pizza burger. Done.